When the sun is about to set, you choose to switch on your room's light automatically. So let's go for this project. Hello viewers, myself Adnan Sani and you are watching my channel Electric Shop. Let's have some practical. You can decorate your homes with this project and obviously it will give you some romance. My LED strip is now turned off because my room light is on. Now LED strip is turned on because room light is off. Again room light is on, LED strip turns off. I have done with the help of LDR. Two pieces of LDR I have set. One is inside my room and another is outside of the window, which covers up the sunlight. In the evening when the sunlight drops, the LED strip turns on automatically. Now I am giving you once my hand shadow covers the LDR, LED turns on, and when my hand is off, it turns off immediately. So in the way you can decorate your homes. That's all components you require to perform this project. Arduino for programming and 7805 for 5-volt power supply. Let's check out the sketch. LDR is connected in series with 10K resistor. When light falls over the LDR, it decreases its resistance and it acts as a shortwire. So, analog pin A3 receives no voltage or it cannot receive its desired voltage. When shadow comes over the LDR, it increases its resistance and gradually analog pin A3 starts receiving voltage. When required voltage appears, D7, digital pin D7 goes for high by PNP and NPN transistor. We take out the loads. That's all. So here is the code. I am using the digital pin 12. You can use the another one. And here I am using the serial monitor to see the value. You should change the analog value according to your circumstances. I am using the value 1013. Now I am compiling the code, selecting the port COM3, code uploading, done uploading. Now serial monitor will appear. We can see the serial monitor. The value is 934.35. Cost LED to turn off. When my hands over the LDR, its value is increasing, causing the LED to turn on. When my hand is off, value is decreasing, leading the LED to turn off. If this video brings you something, please like it, share it. Thank you for watching.